Hey, hey, party people! Thank you very much for joining me for yet another episode of Brothers. Um, I don't really have much to say about what happened last time, so we may as well just get back into it. Alright, so last time we just had learned that we have to go on a journey to try to find a special rare cure for our father, who is very sick and very much in need of some medicine. So we are going to travel the world in search of some help. Alright. These brothers, oh man, they're so supportive of each other. Alright. Here's a rope, bro. Here you go. He can climb up that. Alright, time to rock jump. Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh, good. I can jump sideways. Fantastic. Hup. Let's go one at a time. Hup. And hup. And then he goes hup. Oh. And then he falls down and tries again. At first you don't succeed. Try again. Perfect. Dang, what's with all these animals in cages, man? Gotta free all of them. Aw, look, little bunnies. Cute. I'm sure I'll get to that soon. But first, let's see what's popping off over here with this little bird. Nice. That was easy. Have a good life. Okay. So, a wheel, huh? Well, start working, boy. Nope, keep running. I didn't say stop. Alright, now while you're doing that, I assume I gotta get the sheep. Aww. I guess we just have to pet the sheep. Okay, I'm gonna come to that later because there's more over here to explore first. So, let's see what's going on. I don't know if this is just a side quest or something that I don't even need, but hey, bunny! Oh wait, do I have to make this one black? Here you go. There we go. Now all the bunnies will be friends. I think. Yay! He's happy. So I'm happy. Good. Well, I don't know what the point of that was, but I brought a family together, so I'm happy about that. Come on, you can do it. Alright, now, let's get started. Stop getting distracted, we have a mission. I don't know how you're gonna get across, but let's see. Is there a way I can manually take that down? No, stop. Now is not the time to be petting sheep.
Hey, Naya!
Yes, Naya is coming in just a minute. Maybe I need to bring one of the sheep over here? In which case, let's see. Can you do it? Oh, good. Alright, so you run there. You pick up a sheep. And bring it over here. Look at his face. What a funny little sheep. Oh, come on, it can't be that heavy. Okay, now let's see. Putting the sheep in here. There you go. It worked! I'm a genius! Alright, now we can continue. Ooh, even more butterflies. How pretty. There's a lot of sliding down rocks. Alright, let's see. And we go up. Up and up. Oh, we gotta be very, very careful. Wow, look at that view. Oh man, there's one scene that comes a little bit later that I remember. It's absolutely stunning. Like, I don't think I've ever seen a more beautiful pan around in a game. So, look forward to that. Aww. I don't know if that's a troll or a giant, but he's sad. Let's go help him. Yes, okay, he's very sad. Oh, they're wary about it. Have they ever seen a troll like this? He seems okay. Don't hurt us. Don't do it. Hi. He's friendly.
Hey, Mario!
It's okay. I'm sure he comes in peace.
Mario, when hadi da?
Look at those mushrooms growing on his back. Oh, it's that way. Cool. Oh, he's gonna lead us. That is very kind of you, sir. Or ma'am. Not sure what the gender is of trolls, but okay. Good. He's a little bit slow, but let's just creep behind him. Lumbering along. Oh! Oh my. Whoa! Damn! That's fun. Woo! Sweet! Thank you. Have a good day. Wait, why were you crying? Oh, he's still coming along. Good, good, good. Probably gonna need his help again. If only he wasn't so slow. Oh, get out of his way. Oh, let's send the little one first. Oh, thank you, sir. Come on, grab on. There you go. Now move over. And the next. All right. Perfect. Isn't teamwork wonderful? Gonna go across all the way here. How are you gonna make it, little troll? Are you coming, or is your help? Woo! Get up, get up! Come on. There we go. That was close. Alright, well. I don't see... Oh, he's gone. Oh, good, good, good. Woo. Where to next? This is all very exciting. Do. Oh, he's going down. Ooh, oh, this is dangerous. Okay. Why don't you go and see if it's safe? And then the little guy will follow. Ooh. Well, I'm glad you're sturdy. That could have been bad for all of us. Look at that shadow. Wow. Where to next? I'm very excited to learn. Up. Okay. We will follow you. Oh. Let's climb alongside him. He doesn't need any leaves or twigs. He's got 100-foot arms. Okay, jump. Good. And I guess we'll... Oh my gosh. This is so unsafe. I don't know how you guys are so brave. Don't slip. One wrong move and you're at the bottom of the creek. Just like you're... Oh, probably shouldn't say that. Too soon. Too soon to make jokes like that. Come on! Why are you so slow? We got things to do. We do appreciate your help, though. Sorry for rushing you. Gonna throw us again? Woohoo! Alright, and next.
Oh!
Isn't this game so much fun? It's just... Whoa! Neat. Oh, you better hurry. All that talk about him being slow, and now he's beating us to the top. Great. Alright, and there's another. 1, 2, 3. Good. It is easier to control the brothers at the same time because of the... Oh no! Oh. Please don't... Oh, good. If I had to start all the way at the beginning, I would be like, oh no. Okay, so don't let go of LT or LR. Or RT, sorry. Climb up. There we go. Learn from your mistakes. That's what the early stages of these games are all about. Alright, let's see. Oh good, there he is. Ah, these butterflies. Can I talk to the butterflies? No? Okay. Are you gonna throw us again? Because that was really fun. Me first. Oh, he's gonna take us both at the same time. Okay. Hang on. Geronimo! Woo! Could have given us a warning for that one, but we made it safe and sound, so that's one thing. Ooh, what a pretty cave. I wonder if this is where he lives. Alright, so the little one's afraid of water, so he's got to cling on to the big one. Because he can't swim. Because the poor thing is traumatized. It's okay, you're fine. It's okay, look. Why don't you guys hug? No, okay. He needs some TLC. Alright. Going through this mysterious hole. Are we just trusting this troll that he has our best interests in mind? Or are we just kinda being led into a massive trap? Who knows? But that was our only lead, so... It's a little dingy in here. And we're trapped. He put us in jail. Oh, good. Good thing this one's so skinny. Alright, let your bro in. Come on in. Good. Oh, fireflies! Underground? That's suspicious. Oh. Dang. Alright, I think we're gonna have to jump. And jump! Quick, quick! And jump off! Whew. Good, good. We made it. Going deeper and deeper into this mysterious cave. And hope that death and sadness does not follow in our wake. Ooh, I don't know if these are scratches or if this is just the corrosion of the rocks, but I'm definitely wary. Seems we have come across another puzzle. But we'll ignore it for now, I guess. What's this? Oh. Okay. Teamwork, perhaps? Do we need to lift? No? Okay. Can we push this? No? Alright, come on. I thought he would just go around, but... Oh, hey! We probably need to do something with this. Lift up. Okay. This is gonna be... do we take it this way? No. It's not going to be big enough to fit through there. Let's see how we can go this way. Oh good, there is more space to move around. Good, good. But where do we take it? Alright, it's just like parallel parking. Let's go. Something is missing. Okay, so we'll go like this. Then you'll move backwards. Then like that. Good. Excellent, excellent. They really know what they're doing. I have no idea where I'm supposed to be taking this thing, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. Alright, let's see. Do I have to maybe stop the gears? Well, that did something. Oh good, now we can walk across with no fear. I am the queen of puzzles. No puzzle is beyond my intelligence. Ooh, it's getting even darker in here. Ooh, a crossbow. That's fun. What?
Yeah.
Other side? Or this way? Okay. Can you jump up there? No?
Yeah.
What do you want from me, sir? Okay, okay. Just came down that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, stop pointing if the thing is right in front of us. So he was... Can I... Oh! What did I just do? Ah, there we go. So he pointed this way, so let's see. Oh. Can I? Oh, good. Thought it was one of those one at a time things. Right. Awesome! Good job, boys. Time to carry on. Hop, skip, and a jump on to the next area. Right. This reminds me of the dwarven tunnels in Skyrim. Right, you first. Up you go, little one. There's no rope to throw you down, so can you jump? No? Okay, well, you're just gonna have to wait there then. Little one will take care of this for you. Yeah! I did it! Oh. Oh, I get it. I get it. Okay, so he's gonna keep that. And you have to climb up while it's not moving. Quickly, quickly. Oh, it's kind of weird how the music just stopped. Or all sound just stopped. It's a little bit eerie. Okay. Good job. Good job, little one. Little blondie. I should think of nicknames for them. Blondie and... strong one. Strong. Blondie and Tuffy. I'll call them that. Oh, I missed something down here. Little fish. Wonder if there's anything I can do over here. Can I swim with the fish? You deserve to play. Go ahead. It's probably hot and sweaty in this place, so. Now that you both are refreshed, let's continue. I think I saw the troll over there, but I could be wrong. Ooh. Why don't we see what's going on with the scenery? Well, that was cool. Anyways, moving on. I think, let's try this way. Or, no, that just leads us to the fish again. Okay. Only one way to go, and that's up. Oh, another one of these things. Well, I already know how this works, so... Ooh, grab on. Quick! No? Okay, fine. Wait for the next one. Okay, you can grab on. And I guess he'll wait for the next one. Quick, grab on! There. Ooh, more trolls down there! Wow. I guess they're miners. I mean, it would make sense if they built this whole place. Oh, you can drop. And now it's time for you to drop. Great. Help me out. And up. But there's still no way for you to... What's this do? Oh, I see. Okay, so... Oh, careful! Shoot. Sorry. Come on, Blondie, you gotta keep turning it. Otherwise your brother will get crushed. Okay, so let's have you drop there. I don't know... Or do I keep... Oh, and then I can continue on this way. I getcha. I'm picking up what you're putting down. And you can grab onto that again. And little Blondie, don't stop turning until he's passed. Okay, now I'm gonna run alongside him. And jump. And jump down here. Or I guess I'll go all the way around. Alright, so now you're here. And you can... Ooh! Cool! And then I think you have to grab it from this side. And then Bro will follow along. Make sure that you don't fall. I mean, just look at everything that's going on around us while we play, you know? Like, we're not the only focus in this world, if that makes sense. Alright. Almost there. And drop. Good. Now, what's this thing? Wait, can I pull it? Oh, good. Here you go, Blondie. Grab on. And then your little bro, or your big bro, I suppose I should say. We'll turn you all the way around here. And drop. Fantastic.
Hey, Nai!
Maya!
Yes, I know. Okay. If they get too separated, they get separation anxiety, so. You gotta make sure that you keep them together as close as you can. Because they love each other. Alright, next. It's so creepy when it gets all quiet. I feel like something bad is gonna happen. Alright, you too, Blondie. Follow Tuffy. Ooh, I think... Yeah, he's on his way. Just relax. And... Oh, these are jumpy things. Jumpy up things. Whoop. And whoop. And now we do the shuffle. And if you let go, you're gonna die. So don't do that. Alright. You first. And then... Oh man. Are you gonna make it, Blondie? Woof. Okay, good. He's got more arm strength than he lets on, I think. And drop. Good. Alright. Well, it seems we have come upon a dead end. So, oh, time to jump. Good thing. Whew. There's nothing that way that I can see, but there is a little hook. Or a little ring, I should say. Oh, careful. Ooh. I feel like I gotta be quick. Dang! That was real close. We almost died. I feel like we're almost gonna die a lot in this game. Ooh. Don't let go! Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot. We gotta go, we gotta go! Keep going! No! God, don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop. Keep running. Almost there. Oh, man. My controller's vibrating like crazy. Whew, that was... Oh! I wonder if this is why the troll was crying. Because his mate is all locked up. Who did this to you? Ugh. Of course it was another man. How disgusting do you have to be? Listen, you clearly got a relatively modern society going on here. There's no need to lock women up in cages, okay? She's not gonna love you that way. I can tell you that much, sir. Shh. Okay, Blondie, you're up. Grab the key. Don't let him see you. He could crush you like a bug in between two fingers, I bet. Let's not find out, I think. Okay. Time to release her, and then we will end this episode here. Come on, Tuffy. Can't you open the cage? Oh, it's a button, maybe? Can't you get out now? Oh, wait. There's this thing. Perhaps we need to... Hooray! We did it! She's free! Oh, I think she's hurt. Poor thing. Oh no, what did he do to you? Well...
Hey! Maru!
Shh! Yeah.
Uh-oh! Well, it seems we... Oh, shh! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh! Ah, climb up! You can't climb, right? Alright, I think we're gonna end this episode here. In the next episode, we will definitely take this guy down. Because it's what he deserves for keeping such a beautiful young lady locked up. But yes, we've been going on for quite some time, so I think I'm gonna end this episode here, but tune in next time and we'll see how we can defeat this disgusting old troll. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Mwah!